Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add family members on Amazon. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add family members on Amazon. The first thing that you need to do is to know how it works. Now, if you're adding family members on Amazon, it means you specifically want to add your Amazon, or you specifically want to use the Amazon household, which allows you to share certain Amazon benefits to family members. How do you do that? So open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you right into this homepage. Now, from this homepage, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be provided with a couple of options in the drop-down menu. So click on account, which is here, and it's going to take you to your accounts page. So from here, scroll down to where you have shopping programs and rental section. You have a couple of options here like ordering and shopping preferences, digital content and devices, membership and subscription. So head over to where you have shopping programs and rentals, and under here with the options that you have, go ahead and click on Amazon household. On the Amazon household page, you'll see an option that says add an adult, or add a child, or add a teen. Now, if you choose add an adult, you need to enter the other adult's name and email address. And if you choose add a child, you can create a profile for a child under 18. So let's say add adults. So add your name, add your email, and click on continue to send an invitation to the family member. The invited adults will receive an email with instructions to accept the invitation. Now, the invited adult needs to accept the invitation by following the link in the email and signing into the Amazon account, or creating a new one if they don't have an account. Once accepted, they will be added to your Amazon household. After adding family members, you can manage settings for shared content, such as Prime benefits, digital content, and payment methods. Go back to the Amazon household page to view and edit family member permissions as needed. I'd like you to know that each Amazon household can include 2 adults and up to 4 children. And adults in the household can share Amazon Prime benefits and digital content. So make sure to inform family members that they will need to agree to share payment methods. And that's it. You've successfully added family members to your Amazon account. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.